What's poppin' YouTube right here in Marina Del Rey with my boy Andrew. About to install this Padel Commander on this F Spider. You know we got him out here. Look at the view. YouTube, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share, man. I'm bringing you great content. They about to go out, go fishing. We just chilling, man. You see it. I'll show y'all a little bit, but you know, this come with your Riker if they gave you the right pieces. Just pop those off. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you unlast that, and then once you bring the Padel Commander out, we get it. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. It's a beautiful day, man. I pray all y'all get money. Pray to God and thank God every morning. You dig? That's a few though. Them two coming back to back. Look, ooh. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I got the panel off. You see it here. Canam panel. I got a panel. Taking it off. Just how it look. It's on the right side, so I guess it's this clip right here that you take off. And the male and the female, link that up to it, run it through here. You gotta run it through the top of this so you can get it through here. And then you on. Thought it was gonna be like an hour, but since I watched the YouTube video, it's been way faster, so much faster, guys. Do a little walk around. Alright, YouTube, so I got the Padel Commander hooked up to the male and the female. See them both here. Now I'm about to run the wires through here, through here, under here, and then over the top through here. That way we can hook it up here. He already got his phone, y'all see it. Shout out to Slingshot Mods too, man. Y'all gonna have to send me some, send us some so we can test it out, man. Try some. So I finished that, guys. I had to move spots, wrapping it up. It took me about 2 hours. Because I was trying to do the headlights, but he had the wrong ones. But I had took it all apart, so I had to put all that back together. But I did get a USB port hooked up, 12 volt for him here, right here with the customary accessory cord. It's in the inside of here. You got to pull it off, hook it up, get you a USB going, charge your phone. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we had a good day though. I know I didn't show y'all myself none today, but your boy here, my back hurt a little bit because I didn't have a chair, but the work was easy. If you're in LA, you need something done, you need a port put in, you need lights put in, whatever, hit me up. I'm doing it, it's easy. And I got the best prices in the city. You dig? But I'll show y'all the rest. We're gonna ride it. Check out the Padel Commander. Padel Commander going crazy, and it's extra lit. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, man. Can-Am Riders. Yeah. Woo-wee. YouTube, quick stop at the dispensary, man. Check it out. Yeah, I've never seen one. I wanted to give y'all a quick look for your out-of-towners. Appreciate you, brody. My guy. Pre-rolls, pins, cards. MMD, LA. up, YouTube? Your boy Young Gay finished, man. It's my last video. Y'all know what it is. Just lined the bikes up. We went on a short ride. I know y'all seen the little video before this of me riding now. This how the bike look. Let me get out the shadow car in my way. Ooh-wee. Shining, man. Shining. Canam right good. Ooh. You see it, oh, with the custom drip backpack. Ooh. Big F. Canam. Spider F. Oh, I was burning out crazy on you today. Going crazy on the spider. With the paddle commander. You see it. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, man. Riker Gang, Canam. Shout out to Canam. Shout out to Slingshot Mods, man. Go ahead and send us something. And let's start putting it on. Y'all see how we coming. Yeah.